Shoba King has been back anytime now. Penultimate race here, Santa Ana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best. All set now, ready to race. Race number 12. And the race is on. Shoba King from the outside. Wow, Jazz in second. Phantom Cookie, Fine Bluff. Batang Craig Danori inside, rushing up is Holy Nitro. Shoba King by about 3 lengths, followed by Wow Jazz in second. Phantom Cookies racing on the outside by Daryl Batang Craig. Racing on the outside is Fine Bluff. Another far turn, Shoba King high bowling in front by about 5 lengths. Wow Jazz in second. Phantom Cookie, Mr. Maki. Alongside is Fine Bluff, Batang Craig Fanfare. As they swing from Shoba King by about 4 lengths, followed now by Fine Bluff in second. Mr. Maki is running by Drell as they race the last 200. Shoba King, Fine Bluff rushing up to grab the lead. It's now Fine Bluff, Shoba King, Mr. Maki, entering the finish line. Fine Bluff, the outstanding favorite. Second, Mr. Maki, Shoba King, Batang Craig, Phantom Cookie for your fan.